Welcome to this OpenText Filr video on file versioning. This is a feature of Filr Advanced that allows you to flag files with security settings to protect that information. My name's Robin Redgrave. I'm a solutions consultant based out of the UK. Let's log into Filr and just have a look at how we can set this up. So I'll just log in here as myself. I've got administrative rights. Just go into the administration console, and in the left hand menu options here we've got an option for data leak prevention. So here you can see we've got one policy in place, and this is the default policy that is pre-created. You can see that it's active and it's been assigned a color. I can come in here and modify that, so I can change the name of the policy and indeed change the color that's assigned to it. And if I just go into the manage option, you'll see here that that's going to add a restriction to share externally. Currently in Filr 24.1, that's the only restriction that can be added. However, in future releases we're going to add additional restrictions to this list that you'll be able to select from. If I just say done to that, I also have an option here for manage workspace. So workspace in this context is a net folder. If I just select, let's say, the sales net folder, I will enable DLP for that workspace, and I can specify a DLP policy that can be assigned for the whole of that workspace. However, what I'm going to do here is enable a workspace moderator. So a workspace moderator is an assigned individual who can set that DLP policy on an individual file. So I'm just going to add, and what we'll do here is just add myself. There we go, and I'm going to save that. So I'm now assigned as the workspace moderator for data leak prevention to the sales net folder, or the sales workspace as it's termed here. Let me just save that, and then let's just go and have a look at that working. And let's just go down to sales here. Let's just go and take this file, for instance, just show you that I can share this externally from this folder. So I'm just going to share this with an external user. And let's just save that. You can see that's shared okay. However, on this file here, if that had some confidential information in, I didn't want to be shared externally, then I can just right click, and you can see, because I'm the workspace moderator, I've got this option for the DLP policy. So you can see here I've got an option to manage the DLP policy for this particular file, and if I just take the drop down, I can specify that policy that we had defined, and I can just apply that. So now if I try and share that file externally, you'll see when I save that it's stopping that being shared. And if I just click on the information tag there, that will just tell me that it's restricted by a DLP policy. So you can see there how your workspace moderator can flag files to protect your corporate information from being shared externally. Thank you for listening. I hope that you've found this video useful.